don't arrest me.
Have a seat.
Look at my titties. They're just out. Please don't arrest me.
Have a seat. It's too late. You're under arrest.
The warrant is invalid, and you're still talking about taking my man.
Stop.
What are you screaming at me for?
Stop. You're going to detain in handcuffs. Stop.
It's nearly Halloween in Boardman, Ohio, where the irony of one woman's costume is downright criminal.
How are you two doing today?
We're doing okay.
My name's Officer Bill. I work with Boardman. Reason for the traffic stop, a couple reasons. Number one, when you had the red light, you pulled pretty much all the way to the intersection and you backed up. Then you turned left from not the turning lane. So when I saw you do that, I was like, is this person impaired or what?
I'm not impaired.
I can tell talking to you. Yeah, I can tell talking to you you're not drunk, anything like that.
I'm here, and where's the insurance? This is his company car.
Okay. Where are you guys heading this evening?
We were just going home. We came out to see a movie.
Mm-hmm. What movie you guys see?
We seen Insidious 2.
How was it?
It was good.
That's good.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, sir. This is not coming.
No problem. Miss, do you have your driver's license on you?
No, I don't.
Okay.
But he has a license.
Do you have a license?
No.
Okay. What's your name, miss?
Police identify the suspect seen here as 22-year-old Kaylee Dunas, who's about to find herself on the wrong side of the law.
So what's going on with your license?
So I got a speeding ticket when I was 19 years old, okay? I didn't stop driving because I've constantly always had to get myself to work.
Right.
Every single time I'm on my way, I get stopped, and I constantly, just last month I paid $400 in fines.
Okay.
I don't have any warrants or anything like that.
Okay. Sir, do you have your ID on you? Make sure that you're valid. That way we might be able to switch seats.
Yeah, it's in his wallet.
Okay.
Can you hand it to me, please? Just your wallet, and I'll put it. The reason why I'm driving is,
2050 code 6.
back pocket right.
Code 6.
Copy.
You just went into the store.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Come on, babe.
Crazy. Yeah, I know.
The reason why I'm driving is because we're just out and had a few drinks.
Okay.
I'm gonna step off the car.
No, you can just stay there. I'll just look you up by your name.
So I'm gonna.
What's your first name, sir?
I'm gonna start
Timothy.
off by telling you, he has a warrant out for his arrest.
Okay. What's the warrant for?
But I sent a.
You able to close that door, boss?
I sent a message out to the police officer of Newcastle 3 times. I've been trying to get a hold of him.
Hold on. Yeah, no, I have a quick question. What's the warrant for? Because
I don't know specifically. That's why I'm explaining.
Okay.
So specifically, we're at a party together.
Okay. If it hold on, would you hear me out real quick?
Sure.
If it's for some bullshit little traffic charge or misdemeanor or things like that, they might not even want him.
It's misdemeanors.
Okay.
So what happened was, you can read this here.
Kylie reveals her boyfriend has a warrant for his arrest before this situation takes a dramatic turn.
So, are you going to listen to me? Or
Yeah, I'm going to listen to you. Just like, I mean, I obviously got to get the name and everything like that.
Of course, but you weren't trying
2051 by name and date of birth.
So, are you listening yet?
Hold on one second.
Sure.
First name. Code 6, I'll take a second. Break for a second. Name and date of birth.
What happened was, we were...
Give me one moment, ma'am. Okay?
Okay, yeah. Whenever you're ready to actually listen, because you've been telling me...
Hey, relax. Relax. I'm being calm and cool and everything with you, but I do have
You're
to...
not listening to me, sir. All due respect.
2050.
You're not listening.
The second one's going to be...
Hey everybody, this is another Law and Crime legal alert. If you received Depo-Provera birth control shots and were later diagnosed with a brain or spinal tumor called meningioma, you may be eligible for a lawsuit. That's right, Morgan & Morgan, they're investigating claims that patients were improperly warned about this risk. It's free to check, just takes a few minutes, and you don't pay unless they win. So scan the QR code on screen, click the link below, or head on over to forthepeople.com/LCDepo to see if you qualify.
Both these are out of Pennsylvania.
So, like I was saying, we were at a party. I got drunk,
Okay.
and I confronted an ex, and I got in a fight with the girl. I was so mad at my boyfriend for being his ex that I actually told the police officer that it was that I had gotten into a physical altercation with him. But I've been trying to contact Officer Biggs, and I told him like the whole story that I made a false police report to begin with.
You know how it usually goes, though. Once that warrant's out, you got to do that.
I don't know how it usually goes no, at all.
Well, I was trying to explain. So usually how that goes was once they put out that warrant, even if you say after the fact, hey, I made that all up, you usually got to go through court and tell the court that, hey, this was a false report, false allegation, and they'll usually drop the charges. So he's probably not going to be able to do anything. I can't necessarily speak for Pennsylvania. Sometimes it's a little different over there, but at least in Ohio, you would have to go talk to the prosecutor at that point once the warrant's put out for his arrest.
So what's going on right now?
So I'm waiting to hear back from dispatch to see if those warrants are all good. I'm waiting to see if you have any warrants, and I'm waiting to see whose license is valid. Okay?
There's no license. There's no valid license except for his. I already told you that.
Okay. Just settle down. It's not the end of the world.
Kylie claims the warrant is invalid because she, quote, lied about an alleged assault. But that's not exactly getting the pair out of the situation so easily.
There's another cop showing up. Why?
Because we usually have 2 cops on all traffic stops. Obviously not initially because I'm only one person. But also he's got a warrant. So if the warrant ends up being good, then we'll obviously have to take him into custody.
Of course. We know.
Okay, I don't know.
Sir, what else?
Okay, I don't know why you're having such an attitude right now.
Because I already told you what the truth was and that the warrant is invalid, and you're still talking about taking my man.
Okay.
My fiance.
Because if we have a warrant that's confirmed through leads, don't close that window.
I'm allowed to roll my window.
All right, do me a favor. Step out.
No,
Step out. Yes.
No, I'm not stepping out of anywhere. No,
Ma'am, let me explain this to you.
Let me explain.
No. Let me explain. This isn't your show. This is my show. I'm trying to be calm and respectful and explain everything. I'm trying to explain everything to you.
Please.
If a policeman tells you to step out of the car, you do have to step out of the car. No. It's in the U.S. Supreme Court cases, Maryland versus Wilson and Pennsylvania versus Mims. That's the United States Supreme Court case. Gives us the right and the authority to order you out of the car. So if you don't step out of this car, which you are going to, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull you out of the car. And then at that point, you'll be under arrest.
Kylie.
I don't want to arrest you, but the way things are going right now, that is what is going to happen. So do me a favor, turn the car off and step out.
If I'm not going to be arrested.
Step out.
Kylie.
You're not under arrest right now if you step out of the car, but if you don't step out of the car, you will be under arrest.
Do you not understand that they're arresting you?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, will you relax?
I'm relaxed. But you're getting arrested.
Okay, calm down.
That's the only reason why I'm upset, because he doesn't have any reason to be arrested.
Good.
He never hit me. It was a girl, and I lied.
The first one is valid through Newcastle, showing not valid through Ohio, break for code 9.
Go ahead with it.
But you have to understand I lied.
I do understand that.
23 for extradition out of Pennsylvania. It's going to be for a simple assault. Break.
Good.
Kaylee Dunas is suspended through PA.
Copy. Hey, Kylie, it's going to be all right.
No, it's not.
He's been cool.
Leave your phone there. I'll get it for you. Here, you want it, right? Come on,
right, Kylie. Do me a favor, hop out as well. Because I got to write you a ticket for the driving under suspension.
No.
Okay. You don't have any. I'm not gonna like search you or anything like that.
I don't have anything on me. There's nothing.
I'm just gonna pat down your pockets.
I swear I lied.
Hey, and I understand. Kylie, just
you can't take him on that.
We can because let me explain this to you.
I lied.
So,
I swear I lied. And
Kylie, will you hear me out?
I already know. I can't drive this car.
Okay, hey, you don't even know what I'm trying to say. If we have a warrant, a valid warrant for somebody's arrest,
I know that.
then we have to take them into custody.
I know that.
If we don't take them into
you're taking my boyfriend to Ohio, and then they're gonna have to expedite him. Why wouldn't I be upset?
Okay, I'm going to pat you down for weapons based on your attitude right now.
Sure, based on my attitude, you can pat me down for weapons, sir. I already told you there's no weapons.
Okay. Turn around. Face away from me.
I'm facing.
How much you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Okay. Is there any weed in that car?
No.
Okay, why does it smell like weed then?
Beats me.
You're gonna have a seat in the back of my car. Stop it.
Okay, but
You're gonna
you don't have to
stop
do
it.
that.
Stop it. You're gonna have a seat in the back of my car while I write you the ticket.
Daddy, I love you.
I'll take him, but just put him in your car for now.
I love you. I love you, Daddy.
Have a seat.
Kylie is secured in a patrol car and allowed to call a family member to pick her up. But it's not long until that changes.
So, no, wait, before you leave, sir, can you tell me what you're doing with my boyfriend?
He's going to go to the Mahoney County Jail, and then he'll have either a hearing or he can waive his extradition hearing and go to Pennsylvania.
When?
So he's going to go there tonight, and then he would either have his extradition hearing on Monday, or if he signed the waiver of extradition where he didn't want to fight extradition, then he could go straight to Pennsylvania. Once he goes to Pennsylvania, I'm sure they'll let him bond out. But do me a favor, hop out real quick. I got to check your pockets. I patted him down, but now I'm going to search him.
I already did.
Hold on, I patted him down. Now don't reach. No, don't reach.
Don't take his wallet.
I'm not going to take his wallet.
You're taking it.
Hey,
you're taking it.
I'm setting it right here. Stop.
What are you screaming at me for?
Stop. You're going to detain in handcuffs. Stop.
No.
Because yes.
Okay, why? Because you're screaming at me. You have no reason to arrest me. So
Stop.
Put your hands on me.
Easy. Please come and pick me up ASAP.
Alright, I'll be there in 15, 20 minutes.
Thank you. Don't hang up.
Where's your phone at?
It's in my titties. You're not allowed to touch it. You're a male officer. I don't want you touching me. I do not give you respect to touch me. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Let me. They are trying to reach into my bra. No, I'm not relaxed.
Wait,
No,
I'm on the
do
phone.
not reach into my bra, you dirty son of a.
Hey, Kylie, everything.
No, I'm okay. I don't have any warrants. You have no reason.
Everything you
have no reason. I'm not drunk. I'm not under the influence. You have absolutely no
everything
reason.
that you're doing is on body cam right now. Okay, so stop.
So let me go.
You're under arrest
For what?
for obstructing official business.
Come on. Why? For what? Officer, come on.
Stop it.
For what? I
I
haven't resisted
just told you. Yes. Oh, bull.
I haven't resisted anything at all. What do you mean, bull? All I wanted you to do was not reach into my titties. Come on.
Stay there.
Stay there.
Stop grabbing my hair.
Stop.
You don't have to do this.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't. I haven't been doing anything. Be serious.
My body camera says otherwise.
My body camera says otherwise, too. What do you mean?
Turn around, face that way.
Then I want all of my property with me, too. What are you doing?
Stay there, okay?
Stop.
Stay there.
Stop.
I'm telling you, stay there.
I'm telling you to stop
And I'm
because I'm
telling
not
you, stay
doing
there.
anything.
Stop it. Okay. Stop.
Ma'am, I'm not doing anything.
Stop. Stop. I'm trying to empty your
I'm not
pockets.
doing anything. I told you you can search me.
You can say that as much as you want, but that doesn't change the fact that you are.
Please don't arrest me.
No, it's
beyond that.
It's beyond that.
Beyond that, I didn't do anything. I literally didn't do anything. What are you manhandling? What are you doing
Stay
that
against
for?
the car.
I'm standing here. I'm staying against the car.
It's here we can see Kylie showed up dressed to arrest by wearing a police costume.
Please don't arrest me. I don't
too
have any
late.
warrants. What do you mean it's too late? I didn't do anything.
Okay. Have a seat.
Please don't arrest me.
Have a seat.
Look at my titties. They're just out. Please don't arrest me.
Have a seat. It's too late. You're under arrest.
What do you mean?
Sit in the car.
What did I do?
I told you what you did.
I didn't do anything.
Sit in the car.
Officer, come on.
Sit in the car.
Come on, officer. I'm sitting in the car. Come on.
All the way in the car so I can close the door.
Please don't arrest me. I can't go to jail. In Ohio, I don't have any warrants.
You are under arrest.
Please, why?
And, sit back down.
Please, why?
Kylie.
Please don't arrest
Kylie.
me. Listen, please don't arrest me.
Would you shut up?
I'll
shut up.
Please don't arrest me.
It's too late.
Why?
So if you don't sit in that car, I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to pull you into that car, and I don't want to do that. So sit down.
Arrest me.
Let's not make this harder than it is.
You already did.
Yeah, I already did.
Go to
You
jail.
are. Well, it's too late.
I want all
I'm not going to.
property.
It's going to get logged into the property at the jail. But I need you to sit in that car because I do not want to have to pull you in that car. I will.
Why are you arresting me?
Okay.
Officer,
Sit in the car.
Why are you arresting me if I didn't do anything? All I did was call my dad.
Kylie.
Come on, sit down.
Sit
What are
down.
you charging me with?
I already told you, obstructing official business. Now sit in the car.
How did I obstruct
Kylie,
business?
sit in the car.
But why are you arresting me?
Kylie, sit in the car.
Why are you arresting me?
Did you catch that? Kylie, the costume cop, allegedly kicks an officer, turning her into a real pearl.
Now you're under arrest for assault on a police officer.
I didn't assault a police officer.
You did. You kicked me in my
I
arm.
got into the car, sir. Come on. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Kylie is once again secured in a patrol car, but this time she's earned herself a trip to jail with the real police.
Why are you doing this? Like, seriously, why? I didn't do anything to you. And you want to throw me behind a jail cell? Like, are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Me? Yes, sir, my mom. I didn't do anything to you. Except for call my dad. I don't have any warrants, any fines. I'm going to get released on my own recognizance. What jail are you sending me to?
The Mahoney
Mahoney?
County. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, you son of a... Stop saying ma'am, literally, like you're a pig.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. What are my charges?
Obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and assault on a police officer.
Wow, you have to be kidding.
No, ma'am.
I never assaulted you.
Yes, you did.
No, I
And
didn't.
you also attempted to assault Officer Ciccatelli
How?
by kicking.
I didn't kick.
Okay, well, my body camera, like I said, says otherwise.
26
My motherfucking body and my mind said that I kicked towards the f***ing seat. What the f*** do you mean? I was getting my ass into your receipt. I'm a big f***ing woman. What the f*** do you mean? So how long is this going to take?
As long as it takes.
Kylie is whisked away to jail, where she was booked for resisting arrest, obstructing official business, and assault on a police officer. As for the man Kylie was with,
appreciate your cooperation. She's now in more trouble than she had to be. She should have just been quiet, cooperated. She kicked an officer. Now she's looking to assault a police officer, felony charge. Car's getting towed, the whole 9 yards. We had a ride coming for her, and she just wouldn't cooperate.
My vehicle is getting towed.
Is that your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He's taken to jail for the warrant, and the nice officers decided not to tow the car.